Hello teachers and welcome back. This is the last part of our review unit. So let's jump straight into it. Reminder of the content and boom. This was the board that we had set up in the previous clip. And as you can see, obviously it's a lot of content, it's a lot of writing. But again, it's to make sure that we are reviewing properly and to make sure that we are not missing anything that our students need to have covered. Okay, but I'm going to now clean up the board a little bit. I'll choose some numbers, clean up the board. And as you can see that there is some information missing. Now, in that previous clip, it could be the weaker students that had all of the information on the board. They just need more practice, that is all. And it could be now the stronger students that are coming up to the front and they've now got a whole bunch of content that is erased. So I have Alan over here, and Alan will then say, and I will give Alan the number and I'll say, and Alan will say, we have drama on Tuesday at 9 o'clock. We have drama in the school hall. I am good at it. Now, in this particular example and this particular way, I would like the students to be able to volunteer their own real response, okay? Before we had to have brilliant, amazing, good, okay, and not very good. Everybody has to use those words. Now at this stage of review, I believe that the students are independent enough to be able to choose how good they are really exactly with this. Then we'll have Mary over here, and Mary will come in, and Mary will be number 2. And I'll say Mary number 2, then Mary will say, we have English on Thursday at 11 o'clock. We have English in the library. I am brilliant at English, says Mary. Okay, good job. And I'll be giving them their individual points for this. So again, I might have used the content with the previous clip with the weaker students and this clip with the stronger students, okay? And then again, this is just to make sure that they can cover all of those grammar points. Now, the lesson so far has probably been quite intense for our students, probably quite tiring, maybe, probably quite tiring for the teacher as well. So I've saved the song in this particular unit for the last part of this lesson. And basically I'll have the kids stand up, they'll sing a song, they'll dance around. They probably want to get rid of some tension. And of course, in their books, they would have had the designations. So I'd say team A, you are paragraph 1, team B, you're paragraph 2, team C, you're paragraph number 3. And then they do their thing, have some fun, and then we'd put our books away. Now, as the final part of this section, I would then throw up the questions on the board, shuffle the numbers, sorry, and throw the questions up. And then I would have the students then write down the question and the answer in their notebooks. That would then be the final wrap up. And then I would then, as the teacher, be knowledgeable about their abilities. And for those, hopefully, only 1 or 2 kids that were really struggling, everybody else should be 100% at this stage. Yeah, and that then would be a job well done. Teachers, boom, thank you so much for watching this clip. Thank you so much for watching the series. Do appreciate it very much. If you want to see any more of the same stuff, please do subscribe, and that way you'll be able to see the latest stuff from me. Anywho, good luck with your teaching. Have fun in the classroom, and bye-bye.